How's it going, everyone? ND Sean 45 coming at you. Yes, yet again this week. How about that? Obviously, this is not a planned video, but that's just how it goes sometimes. I mean, when so many things in the news are happening at the same time, things that I feel are very important, I'm going to get on here in a somewhat punctual manner to talk about it. But anyway, guys, it is 3:30 in the morning as I film this video. I just got off of work, so I'm going to do my best to keep it short. But getting right to the point, Monday was a huge victory for religious freedom in this country. Jack Phillips, the baker from Colorado, he won his case in front of the Supreme Court by an overwhelming vote of 7-2. Now that part surprised the hell out of me, because the Supreme Court, you're never really sure which way they're going to swing, because there is a lot of liberal influence, hence Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But I was shocked by that vote. But anyway, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about or who haven't been following the news, Jack Phillips, as I just mentioned, is a baker from Colorado who runs a place called Masterpiece Cake Shop. And long story short, back in 2012, there were a couple of gay guys, and I forget their names, but they came into his shop asking him to make a cake for their quote-unquote gay wedding ceremony. And I hate calling it a wedding ceremony, but I'm just going to go with it for this video. Now, Jack Phillips, a strong, devout Christian, he tells these guys real politely, listen, guys, I can't make you a cake for your ceremony. It is against my Christian faith. I will sell you anything in my shop, but I will not customize it. Now, Jack Phillips, from researching him, he's very consistent in his beliefs. He will not make cakes for not only just homosexual ceremonies and events, but he won't make like nude cakes, things for Halloween, and so on and so forth. So he's very consistent. And when he told these two gay guys that, they threw a freaking fit. They yelled, screamed, cursed at him. And the funny thing is, these guys came all the way from Massachusetts just to harass this guy, which is what a lot of homosexual couples have been doing in recent years. Hence, Aaron and Melissa Klein, Beryl Stultzman from the florist from Seattle, Washington. Even here in Illinois, there was an innkeeper or a couple who owned a farm or whatever. They got sued because they wouldn't host a gay wedding there. But anyway, getting back on track here, these guys decided to hit Jack Phillips with a lawsuit. He was required by the Colorado state government to go to quote-unquote sensitivity training, which is basically indoctrination. Hey, you follow our rules and you can't have your beliefs, that kind of thing. So he decided to take it to the Supreme Court and fight this, and good for him. So that's what Monday was about. He won his case, and the Supreme Court told him, you do not have to make products that go against your religious faith. And it's just really unbelievable in this country, guys, that you actually have to do that now. And I'm sure this video is probably going to get the same kind of response that my Ireland abortion vote video is getting, which I will say that those of you who disagree with me on there, your dissension is respectful and polite, so don't think that I think otherwise. I hope I'm being polite in return. But anyway, getting back to this topic, like I said, it shouldn't ever come to this, because nobody should be forced to make something that goes against their deeply held religious beliefs. And I've heard a lot of people so far calling Mr. Phillips a bigot, this and that, so on and so forth. I mean, like Facebook and Twitter, it's just absurd. Well, here's the thing. Those of you who disagree with Mr. Phillips' stance and think that he should be forced to make the cake and all that, let's go look at the other side of the coin here. Would you like it if homosexual business owners and pro-homosexual business owners had to make anti-gay products? No, you wouldn't. And so why should the Christian business owner be forced to make something that goes against his or her beliefs? And the funny thing is, everybody is, all these gay couples have sued, Christian business owners for saying, hey, no, I can't do this, it violates my faith. And the Christians get punished for it. But yet, why is it that homosexual business owners get to say no to whoever they want to. And I know you guys hearing me say this, some of you are like, Sean, that's never happened. Not true. I actually featured this video on my channel, but search Theodore Schubot calls 13 homosexual bakeries. And you will hear those homosexual business owners refusing service to someone based on their beliefs. So it's a double standard, it's hypocrisy. And of course, what this is all really about is not equality. Don't kid yourselves for a second. These homosexuals are purposely seeking out these Christian business owners to try and ruin them. I mean, do you really think any of this stuff, guys, is about marriage licenses or cakes or flowers or anything like that? No. I mean, these guys were going to take that cake home and probably feed it to their dog. It's all about submission and dominance, not equality. That's what these people want. That's what the LGTB is about. Trying to ruin Christian business owners, ruin their livelihoods, and just say, hey, you have to believe our way or we're going to ruin you. That's what it's about. They're also about attention too. It's all, suing these people, it's just almost like a quick buck. It's almost like a scam when you think about it. But, well, maybe not a scam, but give me a break. I'm a little tired, guys. But, again, don't kid yourself for a second. These gay couples know what they're doing. They're just trying to get Christians to submit to their beliefs. That's all there is to it. But look, Monday was a big victory, yes, but it's not finished. I'm happy Jack Phillips won his case. It's great to see that Christians are fighting back against this kind of crap. But it's not over yet. The next step that needs to happen is there needs to be laws put in place to prevent this kind of crap from happening. Nobody should be forced to make something that is a violation or disrespect to their beliefs. And that includes homosexuals too. Hey, would they want, like I said earlier, would they like it if they had to make anti-homosexual products? No, they wouldn't. And some of you are probably saying, well, Sean, it's already a law, freedom of religion. Well, yes, but I'm talking specifically about this particular thing, being forced to make products that violate, your beliefs. So, but look, I've already rambled on long enough. This video is actually going longer than I thought it would. But look, you guys get the gist. And again, I expect the hate to come, the disagreements, the whatever, the bigoted talk and all that. Well, so be it. I'm not backing down from it. On that note, guys, this is NDSean45 signing off. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is. So until then, take care.